Hello, welcome. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today I want to show you a product control valve. If you more details want to know, please follow me. This is a VCA anti-rust bag. The label, Shumatt logo. If you want to print your own logo, contact us because we supply the customized services, the logo, label, packaging bag, and so on. This product code F00VC01331 and the application model number 045110209, 045110212, 045110216, 045110218, 045110301, 045110400. Okay, and this part is a QR code. Let's open it to see the inside. Two packages protect the product during transportation. This one, see first. Oil paper package with it to protect it. The whole side, and also separate we supply the separate part. Valve cap with coating cover letters. Valve roll, different lengths, different size. If you want other sizes, contact us. Okay, that's all the details we are showing today. We have many models. If you don't familiar with it, send us the product code. We can help you to check it. And about the warranty, 6 months warranty. And 3 tapes. The first tape, clean it with oil. Second tape, make sure the valve cap in the right position. The third tape, make sure the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the details we want to share with you. Okay. And each week we have videos on the Facebook, YouTube. Follow us at the channel and feel free to contact us. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Love you guys. Bye bye.